cut your leek into paysanne, you will need to wash it first. And then because you have split it in order to wash it, then you're going to go through and you're going to divide the larger leaves. Like this one, for example. Or that one. This one. Good. Put everything together, hold it, position your finger very well on the claw position, and slice it. I like the smell of leeks. It's very fragrant. And then the white part, then cut it into 4 pieces, or divide it. And cut almost to the root end and discard this. If a recipe calls for the white part of the leek, you will have to use this part. If a recipe calls for the green part of the leek, then you will have to use this part. Now, if the recipe doesn't precise, it's because you have to use both. It's that simple.